Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, Jack! Way to go!
You know what? God is good. He makes all things fair. He's trying to, are you hurting? To stop and just kick your ass. It wasn't me. That was worth the walk. Okay, I feel bad.
I'm so glad I got this all on tape. This is going on YouTube. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is winter wonderland. I'm obsessed. I just want to show all my little Florida friends that are down in the cold rain that sucks. Me and my brother were sledding, building snowmen. So yeah, take that. What? Okay, he's going to try a 180. Yeah, that's snowboard talk for doing a flip. That's right. That's right, Naples. Take that and some. I'm going to go back to my little cabin, drink some champ because it's so crisp, and look at this beautiful snow because you guys suck. You don't get to see snow. Oh, Lassie's coming. Lassie's coming to save us. Come on, Lassie. Come.